Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C260 SD card setup. I have the camera ready here and I just need to insert an SD card to make it work and record everything, right? I have here also my Tapo app ready to go. The camera is offline right now, so I just need to insert an SD card, plug the camera and format the SD card, right? Let me just grab an SD card here that I trust. That's the one. That's a Lexar SD card. I'll leave the link here in the description. It's a good one. It's a fast SD card to record high quality video from this camera. This one is working with 32 gigabytes, okay? So I just need to take the camera, and here the camera is off. So I can just move the lens up like this, and you're gonna find the slot for the SD card just right here, okay? Then you're gonna grab your card and insert here. You're gonna face the card to the micro SD card information here, okay? So that way, you just put that way, and you're gonna face like so, okay? That way, and then you just push until you hear a click. There we go. So the SD card is in place, and then you can just move the lens back and turn the camera on. Let me just put the camera here close to the window. There we go, so I can see some motion out there. And let me just connect the camera here to the power supply and wait for the camera to boot up. The camera takes some time to boot up. It's a PT camera, so it's going to do the tests with the pan and tilt movement, and then you're gonna have the camera ready to go just right here on the app. Then you can format the SD card. The camera also asks to insert the SD card to format it, right?
The SD card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
Okay, as you can hear, the camera talks to me about the SD card. Then I just need to format it and get ready to go. So here, just need to wait a little bit longer to see the camera come online. It's trying to communicate with the router, and then it connects to the Tapo cloud and it's ready to go. There we go, the camera is online. So I just tap on it, and here I see the camera working already. And I just come here to the settings and look for storage and recording. There we go. Here I see the local storage unidentified because I just need to format the SD card. So I just click here, go all the way down and click format micro SD card, confirm, and wait for it to finish. It stops for a while in 5%, 60%, 90%. Just wait for it to finish. Depending on the size of the card, it's going to take a longer time. Just wait a little bit more. And there we go. Format successfully. Hit OK. And then you see that the card is good. And the loop recording is enabled, as you can see here. That means the camera is going to keep the cycle, just deleting old videos and recording new ones, right? So here we're good to go. Then you come back here, just make sure that you have local recording and record sound enabled if you want to record audio. Come back here and check here on the storage recording, you can also check the storage, the schedule, sorry. And here you see that's recording by motion all the time, every single day of the week and every hour. And I can also come here and change if I want to with continuous recording. I just need to paint here the way I want. And I'm good to go. I just save here if I want to leave like this. And I come back and just make sure that I have detection enabled. So here I set the zone, so the entire zone. And also I just select with event that I want. Motion detection, person, pet detection, vehicle detection, facial recognition, line crossing, camera tampering. This one is when somebody blocks the camera, and then the camera can trigger an alarm and can also record, okay? There's also baby crying, glass breaking, dog barks, and cat meows. You can just select any event that you want. Just make sure that you come here and check the sensitivity as well. If it's too low, like this, for example, it's not gonna work. So you just need to adjust accordingly. It comes with 6 as a default. Just make sure that's enabled here and you're good to go. You can do this for every single event. All right. And then the camera is going to record. And to just watch the recording, you just come here to the main screen, and here you see the information for the playback and download. Just click on it, and here you see the card, and there's some recording already using here the motion detection. See, it's playing already. I can just control here. There's the playback. I can pause, and I can watch more videos. I just have one here because I just put the camera there and formatted the SD card. You see the SD card here, and I can also check the cloud when I have something recorded into the cloud, right? I don't right now. I just have the SD card and I'm good to go. So that's the way you can have your SD card working on a Tapo C260. I hope that helps. Just leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.